Hello and welcome to the Product Manager Minute. I'm Ty Scharra, WAGO's Product Manager for Rail Mount Terminal Blocks. Today I'd like to take a brief moment to tell you about WAGO's design build services for custom rail assembly. From concept through commissioning, WAGO US has been helping our North American manufacturing and contracting partners refine processes and eliminate constraints with quality connection products for 4 decades. With WAGO Custom Assembly Solutions, our industry partners have not only realized the efficiencies of a simplified purchasing process and cost savings from reduced labor, but also our expertise can also potentially help reduce material costs and waste for a more sustainable footprint. And by utilizing WAGO's complementary smart data software tools like Smart Designer to develop and design, implement, revise, and scale your projects, we truly believe that we can assist in accelerating your team's speed to market. To learn more about Top Job S terminal blocks and how our US-based custom solutions experts can get you started with consolidating your rail's bill of materials into one pre-assembled part number, head over to wago.com/US/planning. Thank you for watching and trusting your terminations to WAGO.